First time using a French microwave in Africa. I got it to go. I guess that's power. I can start. I can start. Or add 30 seconds. Still not sure on whether that's power on and that's power off, or if that's start. Who knows? But I got it to work. Just like the oven. Oven's tricky too. I think I still have the oven on actually, at no degrees. I still don't know how to operate this oven. Oui. Loving it. I will take the heartache for every second of the beauty here. Abidjan Zone 4, overlooking Regard Kumasi. Oui.